this will be another very quick video regarding streaming, and we will see how to connect to the streaming provider. So if we go into our settings window here, we have a stream tab. In my case, I am connected to Twitch. So if it's Twitch, we just select Twitch. We can use the stream key if we want. We can press the link for us to get it, or just get it and paste it here. This is the old way for Twitch. And we can choose a server, of course, or we can connect the account. It will pop up this window and we will provide our account. We log in, and as soon as we log in, let me cancel that. As soon as we log in, it will just be connected this way. It will look similar to this. It will say which account it's connected to, and we don't need to do anything else. It will be authorized and we can just start streaming. But we have different options. So we could do YouTube, for instance, and we have options there, and we get a stream key for YouTube. We have Mixer, connecting the account on FTL or RTMP. Facebook Live with a link. We can restream RTMP or FTL. We can Twitter. Or we can go custom, which allows us to specify our own server and key. I will be able to show you this as I have a custom server set up, but that's for a more advanced tutorial. But it is possible to do and quite easy to do if you have the resources. There is also a button called Show All, which expands further the list of providers actually included in OBS instead of the regular ones. So if you think it should be a provider you have in the list and not in and is not present there, there will be the Show All on the short version. So I do cancel and go back. It will again come back to this view. Show All brings them all up. And that has been the streaming tab. In the next video, we will be checking out the output tab. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave any comments in the comment section, and check out the links in the description. See you in the next one.